Hey guys, how are you? I hope you're having a splendid day, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Kim, and I do videos that will hopefully help you have a better vacation. My husband and I recently cruised on the Celebrity Reflection, and we had an accessible sky suite. We didn't request an accessible cabin, it's just what we were assigned. The sky suite had tons of storage. The closet alone was 3 sections with plenty of room for clothes and even luggage. That's where we stored one of our suitcases. We stored the other one under the bed. Inside one of the sections, there's a safe for your valuables. Next to the closets was a vanity area as well as the minibar. All the items in the minibar were included with our cruise fare. We could just take anything we wanted. And next to the fridge was more drawer space. The sky suite also had a roomy living and seating area with a couch and chairs. Overall, it was just a really nice stateroom. The decor didn't wow me, but the amount of space was awesome and very comfortable. The bathroom was also very large with a toilet, sink area, and a shower. This bathroom doesn't have a bathtub. Above the sink, there are mirrored cabinets where you can store your toiletries. And finally, we have the terrace. It was very long, but the same width as a normal balcony. On one end, there were 2 chairs and a table, and on the other side, there was a chair and small table. We really enjoyed our stateroom. As I said, it was very roomy and very comfortable.